Look at that, guys. That is freaking awesome, like there. Look at that. Look at the size of that. Look at that. You know, that's a mothership, man. It's a thunderstorm, but it's got that like little, it's like a mothership. You can see how it's shaped inside. You can see the clouds out are just. So if these thunderstorms are like this, like the classic these is what you typically see when you have supercells, man. This is what you typically see in the planes, but it looks very classic, so. Classic mothership, man. That's very freaking classic. I didn't even know it get that classic in there. Let's see if we get clouds that are adding on to this. So we got the heavy rain behind the system here. So you can see we got a storm head that's got a nice shaped cloud here. See that? That is nice. Yeah, tell me about that one. With the clouds in it, that's pretty cool. That storm does look pretty cool, you know, inside, on the inside of it though. It does look cool. Ain't a very big thunderstorm, but at least it's got some good looks to it, you know. That's what type of thunderstorm we're actually seeing here. See, we got the classic thunderhead there as well. So our cloud is moving that way. Pretty good cloud. I know it's going to be raining in there. I just have a feeling. So that cloud got some cool things to it. How about the one up here, man? See if this baby does the same thing. Oh my God. I guess not. We just had a mothership cloud there for him. Now that's, there it is building again. Oh my God. I know that might become a good one. Okay. We're gonna end the video here.